From my last video, y'all have been DMing me asking how to set up Invite Splash. Here's how. Open Discord. For now you'll have to use Discord web version. Watch this video to know how to do this in client version. Press Ctrl+Shift+I. Now you will find a link in the description, labeled code. Open the link, finish Linkverize, and paste the code here. Now you can close this. Now go to Account Settings. Then if you scroll down a bit, you will notice a new tab named Experiments. Click it. Now search Invite Splash and change this to Treatment 1. Now you can close it. Now if you check server links, you will find invite banners, but here's the thing, you might not find it in most servers. Here's why. How this works is, if your server is eligible for Boost Level 1, you will unlock a feature named Server Invite Backgrounds. Once you upload it, Discord picks the middle part of the background, and add it to the server invites. Here's the first part, where I talk about this feature.